Welcome everyone to rounds. Today I'm joined with Todd, who is going to be my arch nemesis.
Yeah, we fighting today.
We are scrapping. Alright, so if you don't know rounds, basically, we'll have matches, and if you lose 2 rounds in a match, you get to pick a card that will help you win the next one, hopefully.
Now, this is my first time playing this game. I have not played this before this. So if he beats the shit out of me, like, just cut me some
It's
slack.
just because I'm better.
It's not because he's better.
Yeah. Alright, so basically you'll understand when we get in. But if you're ready, I will start us up.
I was born ready.
Alright, let's do it. Let's go. Alright, who gets to pick? Oh, it's me. Piercing bullets?
Oh, did you mention that this is modded as well?
Oh yeah, it is very modded. They'll find out very quickly that it's modded. I can shuffle. Alright, what's looking interesting to you?
This is not for me. This is for you to choose.
Shuffle. Oh, it's me again. Okay, what else is there?
What? Fisticuffs? What?
Fuck, that is gonna be horrendous.
Drop the gun, and if this was me, I would be choosing that.
You know what? I'm gonna beat your ass. That's what I'm gonna do.
You know what? First round, yeah.
That honestly could really ruin me for the rest of the game.
See, it's one of these two.
I think you should get saw shot. That sounds.
You think I should get saw shot?
Yeah. Because I'll be feeling sore
you know what?
after that.
Never.
I think.
Ever make jokes again like that.
No.
I'm choosing it.
Oh, fine. Well, if you did nimble, that would have ruined me.
I kind of realized.
Oh my god.
Falcon!
Oh! What the fuck?
Yeah, where your brains at, boy? Oh this I'm not gonna lie, this may have been very bad for me. Oh, that was
yeah,
that was way bigger. That was way bigger than I thought.
I thought it was gonna be like a little tiny sword. That is all I gotta do is just survive then, don't I?
Can't get me down here then.
Come on. Yeah, come on. Do something.
Oh fuck.
Do something. Yeah.
That is.
You better do. Oh!
That is horrible. What is happening?
What the hell is this? What is happening?
We're gonna get copyrighted. Metamorphosis.
Oh, yeah. Loud. No. You can't.
There you go. Yeah, you damn.
You just one-tap me.
Oh, you're so lucky. You're so lucky.
No. Oh, my
watch out for the big ass saws. Oh
God damn
my god. You should take the pill.
You take the red pill.
Oh.
You stay in Wonderland.
6, 7.
You know what? I'm gonna. This one's calling to me.
Fuck.
Eat this.
Oh my god. You can't even dodge it. It is like so enlarged.
Get away from me. Get away from me.
See that? That's what you call
You come close to me. It's damn near over.
Skill. Yeah, cause I got them weapons on me. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh
Can I
fuck.
eat this? We'll pop like fireworks one above. Oh.
I don't know how this is gonna work. Are my hands just gonna blow up? Who knows? Nothing happens. But look, it changes the color of the maps when I shoot. Isn't that cool?
Oh yeah, it's awesome. Now come down here and face your death like a man.
Oh. No. Oh
Yeah.
my, I was so close. No,
You're gonna notice your abilities start to stack up more because I'm just not gonna lose. What do we do? This.
What is that? Oh my god, this is so ass. What? Rip this? Oh. Yeah, you're done, Joe, buddy.
Your reach is awful.
Oh my god. I'm so slow.
See,
I'm so slow.
You did that to yourself. Lower movement speed. Oh shit. Yeah, you're a rock now.
Oh, fuck. Fuck.
Eat it.
Speed
was
is
that?
key.
Speed,
Speed
okay,
is
okay.
key. I'm gonna get violated.
You're a defensive nightmare, and I don't mean that in a good. Oh, what the fuck?
I don't know if I killed you or you jumped into the roof. Fuck.
Oh my goodness, it was
That
too
was vile.
easy.
That was vile.
Too easy.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Come on, you gotta learn to fight back. Oh,
Like that?
Have you? Yeah, you're right. You're right.
No,
Oh.
don't get that one. Don't get that one. Don't get that one.
No, you know.
No, don't. No. I think you should get parry. Cause you're a pussy.
I don't want parry. I don't want parry.
But look, minus 6.
No, yeah,
Oh,
okay.
fuck. Yeah. See now you're like you in real life. Oh, bad boy. You're not even that big.
No,
Actually,
it
you
doesn't
are-
change my
you are
size. It
decent,
just
mate.
makes.
I'm pretty sure
okay.
you are.
Like,
Oh,
call the
fuck.
truth. Call the truth. Call the truth for a sec.
Alright. Liar! What is that? You are a war criminal. This is my home. Fuck, I'm coming. Oh!
Take the drop grenade. I'm trying to help you here. I think you need that.
Let me see. Let me see if it does anything. No. No, it does not.
Okay. I'm
Fuck.
sorry. That. Oh! Ah! Oh!
Come here!
No!
There's no way. There is
Oh.
no way.
This- Yeah, just eat this.
I can block it. I can block it. I can block it.
Oh, god damn it!
You know, I'm getting a treasure map. I'm getting a compass. You know what they say? When you mix cum and piss, you get a compass.
What? Gain a random treasure if you find a matching compass card.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh,
You're just gonna hope for the best. Get away from me. God
no,
damn it!
I'm gonna win the fuck up.
Eat it.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No. That is very.
I'll do what I need to do. Oh!
Oh.
Damn.
Oh. Gambling.
Gambling?
Gambling.
Gambling?
Gambling.
With your friends? Huh?
Oh.
That might be good because you only hit me once.
Yes, but.
So you could have a pretty good one, or you could have a chance for a shit one.
Yes, but it's all about the. You know what they
You
say?
do what you want. You do what you want. This is all-
99% of gamblers quit before they win big. Fuck, I got a.
You got a black hole.
Alright, let's see how bad this is. This is so. I'm not touching my key. My hands are off the keyboard right now. I just want you to know that.
Do I get pulled?
This is. I can't move. Genuinely, I can't move.
This is your own fault.
I can't do
Die.
it. I
Sit
can't
there
do
and
anything.
die.
I can't do anything. I'm actually ruined. I can't get out of this area. I
tell you what, Fate,
can't move. I can't move.
I'll tell you what, Fate, I could put you out of your misery. We can start this over again.
You know what, we may have to. I can't even hit you.
Just okay, as long as you accept that I won this.
No, I've got more cards in you. That means I'm better. That was
This is golf rules.
fuck.
I win. Throw us back in to start again. Okay, let's start.
Oh, that's stinky poison. Oh.
Oh, I'm just I'm. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's me going. Okay. A little bit more dangerous now.
Yeah. Now that my damage range isn't like a penis
Now that my
length in front
sword
of
is
me.
gone, I want it. What?
What? Oh no!
No!
Not again.
No!
Oh,
Wait,
you
it's your
killed
video.
yourself.
Yeah, enjoy my bouncing bullets in this mole corridor.
You're gonna enjoy my bouncing balls.
Yeah, what?
Super ball, shiny pebble, super ball, shiny pebble. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? That would've
What? Ah! No!
Yeah, guess what?
God damn it.
You
I guess I
dead.
didn't.
Fuck.
Oh! No, 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 no.
Oh,
Oh, this
nice.
is okay. I want the abysmal.
No, don't get that one.
And
That
still to
one's-
summon dark
no.
powers.
Alright, you know what? For the sake of content. Oh, it just goes up. It doesn't like reset.
Oh. It does reset slowly, but show me the dark powers.
Oh, fuck.
no,
Okay,
fuck.
do not come near me in this time of.
Okay, that's kind of cool. That's kind of.
Oh shit.
Do what you must do. Hit me. Oh.
Bye bye.
No!
Oh, how did you survive that? Not. Fuck it. Oh,
God damn
that
it.
was sick. I'm like a little mole. You ain't never been below
Oh,
me.
it is.
No, so I'm so low. Look at how. Look at this shit. Oh fuck. Yo, look at this shit. Oh fuck, actually. Oh fuck.
Think about what's worth it here.
You dying is worth it. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh
Up,
fuck.
up, up, up.
Oh shit.
No.
Oh. Money help. Money help. Money help. Money help. Fuck.
Yeah! No.
Oh.
Come on. You fucking idiot. I didn't even get to use my dark magic.
I fell off the map. Oh. Boom!
Ow! I'm such an idiot. Magic.
I'm just gonna
Magic.
run up on you. Oh fuck. Bye bye bye!
God damn it.
Oh shit.
Oh no. Oh no. Get away from me. No, 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 no.
Bomba
Oh,
clad.
You know what?
Yeah, let's see.
Pretty good. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Oh! Oh,
Ah!
damn!
I'm so
Oh,
quick.
Oh my god!
Oh no, I didn't
Not
get my.
quick
Oh, I
enough.
thought I had my magic.
Now, because the quicker you go, the slower it generates, so... Your demon powers mean nothing to me.
God damn it. God damn
You're
it.
shooting yourself. Oh. What
Yeah!
the hell was that?
You rushed down. Not much on
Shit.
me.
Oh, fuck. I nearly died.
No. God damn
Easy
it.
wins for me.
More health.
Oh, you get triggered.
More health. Oh.
No. See, that's
Oh,
copycat.
this is-
Copycat.
You know what? I don't care.
is
Copycat.
shitty shit.
Copycat. Say what you want.
Yeah, copycat. Everyone, copycat. Everyone said copycat. See, now the only card I've got makes me block better, and that is like it. Yeah,
Ah!
good strat. Oh. Oh fuck, oh no. Oh my.
Come on. Go!
Oh fuck, oh.
I'm going!
What? What? It wasn't doing anything. I thought it would like damage me for a minute. Oh, shiny pebble.
More luck.
Oh my.
What?
Double damage, half size. And
Okay.
I'm a little ant. Look at me.
Oh my god, you actually are. This is fucking awful.
I've got one bullet.
I shot myself. I gave myself poison. Oh,
Oh no.
this is horrible.
Little ant, look at me. Little ant. Wee.
No.
Wee. Ah,
No.
little ant.
One of your bullets now will just kill me.
Oh my.
Oh, okay, but you...
You moved my platform. I was gonna go stand on it.
What is that noise? You hear
I
that
don't
noise?
know. Yeah, I feel like that's your thing charging. I think so.
Let me get my magic back.
No, maybe if
Yeah,
it
it might-
stops
maybe it
the
might stop
sound.
It might.
Oh, fine. Because you know what? You wanna why? 'Cause you ain't gonna catch me.
I'll catch you.
Catch me. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
Did you throw me into the wall?
I don't know. Oh, see, it stopped.
Going for munitions. I'm a little munitions man. Oh, you. Oh, shit.
I guess I'm just like a bomb now.
You're like a siren now, is what you are.
Whoop whoop.
Oh my. What was that?
I have no idea what happened. Yeah, it's like the safest one.
God, you are so
I'm back.
annoying now. Oh.
Oh, what the fuck?
There you go.
Oh, God.
Oh, you one-tap me now.
What? Oh, that's
Because
why.
of the poison, because I'm so small if you hit... Oh. Fuck.
Yeah! It's
Oh,
gonna hit
no.
one of my shots and I win. Go on.
You're about to get violated, you big-ass horn. Fuck.
Me? Violated? That's
You're
not even
not.
my
Oh, it's like...
vocabulary.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Yeah, hold that.
I think you one-tapped me as well.
Alright, now we're in the land of one-taps.
Ah!
Oh, shit, I nearly killed myself.
Oh, I'm about to kill myself. It's
Oh,
really
no! No, he was
yes!
so close! Oh. Invisible. Ooh.
Oh, that's messed up.
You're getting visually molested. With your fucking god, you're so annoying! Oh, no! Oh, sick! Alright, now, see, now, the ball is rolling.
Whoa, Jesus Christ!
Oh, shit! Easy money.
Yeah.
I'm gonna terminate you.
Oh, see, these
Fuck out.
open ones are just not
No,
good.
these are my favorite. I died. I killed
Ow.
myself.
You killed yourself. Okay, this is pretty good.
This is not.
Wait,
What do
if
you
you
mean? This
shoot
is
up,
not-
if you shoot up, what it does?
Oh! What did you want? Oh my god.
It's so funny.
Do I want to be a slow monolith though? Not really.
Yeah, like, isn't your whole thing about being like small and
Yeah.
fast and nimble?
Bullet slow projectile. Oh, I don't want any of these. Let's get health. I don't know. I could slow you. No, you're getting slowed. It's gonna home you, slow you, and then you're getting molested after.
Oh my God. Ah!
Yeah.
Not good, not good.
Oh! Oh! I killed myself.
Yeah! Your bullets home onto you as well.
That is not good. That is very not good. But you know what? Oh fuck! They don't. I cannot
Good.
believe I just jumped into that.
The way to success for me right now might actually be...
Just let me shoot. Bam. Kills. Which makes me probably even smaller.
Yeah, like if you get hit one... Oh God. Hide, hide, hide.
I can't. I wasn't even looking where I was shooting.
Oh. Oh God. Yeah, I die. Okay,
See that?
You two tap me.
See that shit? Oh shit.
No,
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 right into
you
the
idiot!
wall. That one. Fuck, you are so annoying. You're so loud. Oh, nice. This is cool. Oh, I nearly died.
Come on, come on, come on. I'll fucking kill you.
You're not getting anywhere near me, buddy.
Oh, damn it. No! No!
Yes. You don't stand a chance.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, I can double jump as well. I didn't realize. What are you gonna
God,
do?
no. Die. Oh.
Nah.
Oh, I think I need this.
Nah, look at the last one. Last one's even better. That one. What? Oh, that actually might be good.
Yeah, but
Anyway.
it's kind of what poison is. I need to even the playing field.
You don't need even any.
Oh my fucking.
Boom! And your
Oh, damn
big
it.
ass horn has stopped horning as well. Isn't that cool? Oh, the floor! I didn't realize. This is so
Oh
nice.
damn it!
This
I've
is
got
so
a shot.
nice.
When the hell did I get a shotgun blast? I
Wait,
just
what,
need
are
more
you,
health.
what are you gonna do? 10% health.
Yeah, give me. I
So-
need cake.
So boring.
You're kind of dog washing me at the moment.
Yeah, that's because I'm good. See that?
Oh.
No, they say can't beat the ant. Oh, unless the ant kills himself. Oh! I died.
Okay, the ant killed himself.
The ant will never again ever do that. See, like, isn't this so cool?
No.
Oh, that was close. Oh,
What?
what? I didn't even see what hit you. Fast forward.
Yeah.
Bam, 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 bam. Can't beat the ant. Can't beat the ant. Can't beat the ant. Oh shit! What the fuck was that?
Bob.
What was that?
I don't know.
What did you pick?
At this point, I don't know what's happening.
Lightning came down from the sky and hit me. Oh, what have you done?
I don't know, but it's working now. All right, if I get 2 more wins than I already have, wrap it up. If you get to the point where you match up with me, do a tiebreaker. Like, winner takes all.
Alright. Alright. Let's do it.
Let's do it. God damn
Oh
it!
my god, I don't know what I've done, but something has happened. I've got an extra projectile, so I shoot more.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, you deflected
Yeah!
it! Oh, this is not a good map for me.
Great map.
What the fuck? What
Oh
is
my
that? What
goodness.
was that? Why do you shoot lasers? You mean when I win this one, right?
Sure.
Heh heh heh. I died.
You fucking idiot.
No, this because I didn't like the map. That's why. What is that? What?
I don't know what I have.
I don't know
Oh,
either.
awesome.
I don't know either. You know, fuckhead.
I will win.
You won't win anything. You want to win? I ain't letting you out.
Oh!
See that shit? Bam. Oh!
Yeah,
Oh no,
eat that.
oh no. So if I lose this round, I lose the whole thing.
You gotta make the call. You gotta say. You gotta say what's the deal?
That was the call.
Was it? That was a shit call.
What do you mean this shit call? Well, unfortunately, I do not lose this.
God damn it.
Bam. Get the jackpot. Do the jackpot.
Yeah, I might do the jackpot.
Whatever. Oh,
Bouncy
that is
box.
horrible. That is horrible.
Oh.
Shoot. Let's see what it does. Oh, fuck.
This is excellent.
This is horrendous.
You might need to just like accept your
No.
fate.
No.
God,
You need to
oh,
accept
God,
that.
no,
accept
God.
that. There you go. Oh my god.
Yeah, eat that.
Alright, what if we put it all down? Whoever wins the next round wins.
The next round,
Yeah.
like even though I'm too points ahead,
Everything on the next game.
everything on the next game.
Yeah. You agreeing to it? Is that like a...
Yeah, I'm agreeing to it. I'm agreeing to it. Who wins this round? Wins it all.
yeah,
Eat that.
okay.
Eat it.
Fuck. Alright,
Eat
that's
it!
it. That's it. You win.
I win.
You win. Fine. We'll do it. I
on
can't believe
enemy
that.
soil.
I can't believe
No, I
that.
actually enjoyed this. I enjoyed this a lot, actually.
Oh, I didn't, because you cheated. I'm putting everything on him cheating. He cheated. I win. How does that sound?
I'm 3 points ahead of you.
Yeah, because you cheated.
I did not cheat. I
Yeah,
did
you
no
got.
such
Yeah,
thing.
you had your cards were not shuffled.
Sure.
Show
Sure,
me your
whatever you say.
show me your sleeves.
Whatever you
What is
say.
up
Whatever you
them?
say. There's nothing up my sleeves.
There is everything up your sleeve. Alright, that was
Alright,
rounds,
end the
everyone.
video.
That was rounds. I hope you enjoyed. If you want a rematch, then I will win it.
Maybe you might see a rematch on my channel. Wink, wink. Maybe.
Yeah. Unless you don't post it because you lost that badly. Alright, bye
Are you
everyone.
implying this video will never see the light of day?
No, it is not. This is not getting uploaded.